Hi, this is Kevin Decapity, founder and developer of Luna. In this video, you'll learn how to generate a custom ephemeris that can include a variety of chart points and timelines. An ephemeris is a reference tool for tracking planetary motion and transits. There are a variety of ways an ephemeris can be utilized, including studying astrology from a historical perspective or timing future transits. The Luna Custom Ephemeris can be found above the Datasheets tab on the top center of the screen on desktop. On mobile, you can access the ephemeris by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Before generating your ephemeris, you will need to enter a few parameters. By default, times listed in the ephemeris are in UTC, also known as Coordinated Universal Time, which ignores your local time zone. If you want to choose a specific location to get a more accurate timing of transits, however, Luna can update the time zone automatically to that place. The timeline options allow you to specify the duration of the ephemeris and the increment, or interval of time, between them. This means you can create a per-minute ephemeris, a powerful means of tracking the exact timing of a transit or retrograde period. And you can also create a really long-running ephemeris for tracking the slower-moving outer planets that only calculate their positions once a month or even once a year without needing the calculations in between that don't change much, if at all. Below the timeline options, you can select or deselect any of the chart points that are currently available in Luna. The ones selected by default are based on your individual Luna settings. All coordinates and velocities from each of the two coordinate systems are also available. Ecliptic longitude and equatorial declination are selected as the default as they are the data points of most interest to most astrologers. Lastly, you can select to display the calculated values in degree and/or decimal notation. Degree notation is more common, but decimal notation is good to select if you want to download the ephemeris as a file that can be opened as a spreadsheet. Using decimal notation allows Excel and other applications to sort the columns accurately, and the values can be used to generate your own custom graphs and charts. Keep in mind that Luna's ephemeris can make up to 10,000 calculations. You can keep your custom ephemeris to 10,000 calculations or less by shortening the duration or incrementing by larger steps. You can also select less chart points and opt to only calculate zodiacal or decimal data formats. Let's generate the ephemeris. Here you can see all of the calculations based on the settings we just configured. As I move my cursor, it highlights blocks of coordinates which correlate to a specific chart point and daytime value. This is good for when you have many different sets of coordinates turned on at once. To make changes to this ephemeris, I can click the description link, which is the purple text above the coordinates on the left-hand side. On mobile, this link won't have the full description, but will simply say the word back. This link will take me back to the configuration screen with all of my previously selected settings still in place, so it's easy to make small adjustments without having to reselect all of the options. Lastly, you can download your ephemeris in CSV format using the download button at the top right corner of the screen. On mobile, there's a link that says download, which sits on the left-hand side of the screen next to the back button. Now the ephemeris can be easily opened in any spreadsheet program. Also, keep in mind that Luna's compatibility with mobile and tablet devices means you have this custom ephemeris in your pocket wherever you are. I hope you enjoy using Luna as much as I enjoy creating it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and cheers.